heads up everyone in the Philippine workforce. Department of Labor and Employment Department Order 252 Series of 2025 just dropped, and it's a game changer for workplace safety. This isn't just a minor update, it's a major revision of the rules for the OSH law, Republic Act 11,058. So whether you're a safety officer, an employee, or an employer, you need to listen up. First, let's talk about where these rules apply. It's not just factories and offices anymore. The coverage has expanded to include special economic zones, government-owned corporations, co-working spaces, and even residences used as workplaces. Yes, if you're working from home, this applies to you. It also covers entire contracting and subcontracting chains. For employers, this means you are responsible for providing a hazard-free environment everywhere your team works. For employees, this strengthens your right to refuse unsafe work if there's an imminent danger and you can't be punished for it. So, who does what? It's all about shared responsibility now. Employers, your plate is full. You must develop a solid OSH program, provide all the necessary personal protective equipment and training for free, and make sure your universal healthcare contributions are paid on time. And don't forget those reports. For employees, your duty is to follow all safety rules, report any hazards you see, use your PPE correctly, and cooperate with any accident investigations. It's a team effort. Now, for the safety officers, your role is more critical than ever. You'll be conducting regular inspections and handling the paperwork. Let's get these dates right. The annual work accident and illness report is due January 30th. The annual medical report is due March 31st. And there's a new monthly report on OSH issues, which you have to submit by the 30th of the following month. A huge new piece is the integration with the Universal Healthcare Act. Employers are now mandated to enroll all their workers in PhilHealth and ensure they have access to DOE-accredited health facilities. Basic welfare is also non-negotiable. Safe drinking water, clean sanitary toilets, and separate gender-specific rest areas are now mandatory for all work sites, big or small. Let's talk deadlines, because they are strict. The monthly employer's report on OSH issues must be submitted even if you have 0 incidents. The annual work accident or illness report is due every January 30th through the Department of Labor and Employment portal, and the annual medical report is due March 31st. Set your calendar alerts now because you don't want to miss these. What happens if you don't comply? The penalties are serious. Willful violations after UVA received a notice can lead to fines of up to 100,000 pesos per day and even workplace closures. Department of Labor and Employment will be enforcing this strictly through inspections, and they can immediately stop any unsafe work order. So, what should you do right now? First, download a copy of Due 252-25 and read it. Audit your current OSH program against these new rules. Train your entire team on their new rights and responsibilities. And finally, set up a system to handle the new reporting requirements. Stronger rules mean safer workplaces for everyone. Let's get this implemented today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more essential OSH updates. Stay safe.